In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct your income on TurboTax if you forgot to add a second job. Let's face it, with everything going on, it's easy to forget something as important as reporting all your income. Don't worry though, I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to make your way to the TurboTax official website. If you're at your computer or have your device nearby, go ahead and open up your preferred web browser and type in the web address for TurboTax's site. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in to your account. Look for the sign in button, usually conspicuously placed at the top right of the page. Enter your login details, and with a quick tap of the login button, you'll be ready for the next steps. Once you're into your TurboTax account, you'll find yourself on the TurboTax homepage. This is your main hub for managing your taxes, and you can navigate to various sections from here. Now direct your attention to the options and click on Federal. This takes you to the section where you can modify federal tax details. From here, focus on wages and income. This is the area where you can manage your income sources, including jobs you might have entered previously. Now locate and click on Job W2. This section is specifically for adding or editing your W2 income related details. If you've previously entered a job and need to add another, here's where you can do it. You'll want to ensure you have your W2 forms handy from the forgotten second job. Input the necessary details as accurately as possible to reflect your income for the tax year. Take your time to thoroughly check the entries. Accuracy here is crucial for filing. Once all the information is entered to your satisfaction, navigate through TurboTax until you reach a summary or a review page where you can ensure all the data is correctly input. Once you've double checked your entries against your W2 forms, you can proceed with the rest of your tax filing process as usual. Remember, keeping your tax information up to date and accurate is vital for avoiding any hiccups down the line, such as audits or incorrect tax obligations. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can correct your income on TurboTax if you've forgotten to add a second job. If you found this guide helpful or have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for tuning in and happy filing.